In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a custom font in Wix. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will manage the design and make changes to how your text appears across the site. Make sure you are inside the correct website before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one project. Once the editor is fully loaded, go to the page or section where you want to work with text that will use your custom font. Next, click on any text element in your site. This can be a heading, a paragraph, or another text box that you already have on the page. After selecting it, click Edit Text. This opens the text settings and gives you access to the styling options for that specific text element. If you are trying to match your branding, this is the part where you will start changing the look and feel of the text. From there, click the Font drop-down. This menu shows the fonts that are currently available in your Wix site. You will usually see the standard font options first, but since the goal here is to use your own font, look for the option that says Upload Fonts. Click that option to continue. Now select your font file from your device. Make sure you choose the correct file you want to use. It is a good idea to confirm that the font file is the final version you want on your site, since this helps avoid having to replace it again later. Once selected, Wix will prepare it for upload so it can be added to your available font list. After that, click Upload and then Publish. Uploading adds the custom font to your Wix site, and publishing makes the change live so visitors can see it. If you do not publish, the new font may only appear in the editor and not on the live version of the site. After publishing, you can go back and apply that font anywhere it is available within your text settings. That is the full process for adding a custom font in Wix. It is quick, simple, and useful if you want your website to better match your brand or design style. That covers everything you need to know.